channel Imam. This is Muhammad Magdi, and our third is Yomna Ismail. This is Team Aspro. We are talking about the introduction to Mechatronics project. After a lot of thinking about the design, we came up with the final idea, which is this. So basically, we decided that the height should be about 55 centimeters, not less than that. And we decided that we don't need the width as much as we need the length, so we're going to make it as 80 in the length and 31 centimeters in the width. That should give us about 0.248 meters cubic. Meters squared, I mean. And our lifting mechanism, basically here, it's about using a solenoid push. If we don't get enough force from the solenoid push to elevate the marble to the 55 centimeters height, we are going to use the mechanism used in the tennis ball launcher, which is made of two wheels spinning in opposite directions, and the solenoid push is gonna drive the marble in between the two wheels, which will push the marble up through the track, and the track itself should have a curve at the end of the elevation to lead the marble to the start of the track right here. From this point, the marble should go on by itself on the track. It's just gonna take a C shape and then two loops consecutively. After this, it's gonna take some air and get back on the track once again. To this point, it's gonna take a circular loop, and from this loop it should be led to a inclined part of the track. In this part, we are going to use the same mechanism we used, which is the solenoid push, to give the marble another push through the inclined track, and the marble should go with the track until it reaches the starting point once again, and then the solenoid pushes. It's like a cycle, so the solenoid push is gonna solenoid push and the motor is gonna do their part to elevate the marble once more. Of course, there's gonna be a sensor here to detect the marble, and by that the solenoid push and the motor is gonna do their part to elevate the marble. We used our material. We are using galvanized steel. We chose galvanized steel because it is really ductile. We can easily deform it only by our bare hands. At the same time, it is strong enough to hold the track by itself. We will only use some small supports, not much. This is one part of the track, and there is another part of the track we pictured it. It's going to be viewed at the end of the video, and that's basically it. Thank you.